Inflate the balloon. Leaves the tail 3 fingers wide. Twist a 10 fingers wide bubble. Twist another bubble that is 13 fingers wide from the end. Cross the 2 bubbles and twist them twice. Fold the balloon ring in half and twist it twice. Use the longer bubbles to make a barrier twist. Use the same bubble to make another barrier twist on the other side. Adjust the bow until it looks nice, and then you're done.